Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the updated steps to restore a Facebook post from the recycle bin. Whether you've accidentally deleted a post or simply want to recover it, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the main menu where you can access various settings. Scroll down through the menu and select Settings and Privacy. From there, tap on Settings to proceed. Once inside the Settings menu, look for the Your Activity section. Here, tap on Activity Log. This is where all your Facebook activity is recorded and managed. In the activity log, you'll see an option labeled Recycle Bin. Tap on it to view all posts that have been deleted but are still within Facebook's 30-day recovery period. Now, browse through the list of deleted posts in your recycle bin. Once you find the post you'd like to restore, simply select it by tapping on it. Finally, tap on Restore. Confirm your choice if prompted, and the post will be restored back to your profile or timeline, just as it was before deletion. And there you have it. Your post is now successfully recovered. Remember, posts in the recycle bin are only available for 30 days before they are permanently deleted. So be sure to act quickly if you need to retrieve something. Thanks for watching. If this guide was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance with recovering their Facebook posts. See you next time.